Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard First, Semester Second, book, page number 29. I am going to teach you one new lesson today, that is Tipsy and her friends. Tipsy and her friends. Read aloud, understand and remember. Read aloud, understand and remember. This is Tipsy. It is a kitten. Tipsy is a kitten. It has fluffy brown fur. Fluffy brown fur. It likes to roll in the mud. Tipsy calls her friends. Tipsy. Tipsy. Topsy, come fast. I'm waiting for you. Come on, run fast. Topsy runs fast. Topsy, wait, Tipsy. I came running. Let me rest. Tipsy. Look, Topsy. Snoopy is also coming. We shall have fun. Snoopy. Hello, Tipsy. Hello, Topsy. Here I am. Let us play a game. Tipsy, Topsy and Snoopy are good friends. They play hide and seek. They also play with the ball. They love to chase rats. But they are very kind. They do not like to eat them. They do not like to eat them. Yes, I will give you now mark the difficult words. This is mark Tipsy, kitten, fluffy, brown, fur, roll, mud, calls, cheer her friends. Then take down the spelling of Tipsy is different and Topsy. Fast, waiting for you. Come on, run. Fast is given, no? Yes. Wait. Running. Take down. Running. Rest. After that, Snoopy. SHALL shall have, FUN fun. Hello spelling HELLO hello. Then game, play, game. Good, GOOD good. Okay. Hide and seek, spelling take down. They also play with the ball, BALL ball. They love, LOVE love to chase, CHASE chase, spelling of rats. But they are very, VERY very kind. They do not like spelling LIKE, eat, EAT, eat. Okay, these are the difficult words which you have to learn by heart and write for 5 times. If any word is repeated for 2 times, underline, you write only for 1 time. Okay, so this is the lesson, Tipsy and her friends. So difficult words you have to read the lesson and write the difficult words for how many times? 5 times. 5 times only. But read. Now when you are writing the word of Tipsy, read TIPSY. TIPSY. This way you go on reading. That means it will. Why I have given you these difficult words means, while reading this lesson there should not be any problem for you. So I have given you the difficult words. If you write these difficult words and read, the lesson will be very easy for you to read and to write the question answers also. There will be no any difficulty in writing the question answers. So this is Tipsy. This is Tipsy. It is a kitten. It is a kitten. टिप्सी एक बिल्ली का बच्चा है, बिल्ली का छोटा बच्चा है, बिल्ली का बड़ा बच्चा नहीं, किटन। बिल्ली के बच्चे को किटन कहते हैं। इट हैज़ फल्फी ब्राउन फर। फर यानी उसकी जो ऊपर का, उसका जो स्किन के ऊपर जो फर रहता है ना, उसको फर बोलते हैं। फर, लूम जो रहता है उसके बॉडी के ऊपर कवर्ड रहता है ना, उसको फर बोलते हैं। इट लाइक्स टू रोल इन द मड, टिप्सी कॉल्स हर फ्रेंड्स। इट लाइक्स टू रोल इन द मड, सो इट लाइक्स टू it has a fluffy brown fur, who cat, and it likes to roll in the mud. He likes to play in the mud more. Tripsy calls her friends. Tripsy calls her friend. You also have friends. When you be at home, you gather all your friends and you play with them. Topsy, come fast. Means the Tipsy is calling friends, all the friends. So Topsy, come fast. I am waiting for you. Come on, run fast. Topsy runs fast. So come. What are you doing? Why you are making so slow to come? We'll play fast. No, we want to play. It's saying like that. Then Topsy, wait Tipsy. Why you are doing like that? I came running. Let me rest. I have come. You told to come fast. No. So I came running, Baba. Now I want to take little rest. Tipsy, look, Topsy. Snoopy is also coming. So Tipsy is saying what? Tipsy is saying, look Topsy, Snoopy is also coming to play with us. We shall have fun. We will make nice fun. Snoopy, hello Tipsy. Hello Topsy. Here I am. I have already come here to play with you. Let us play a game. Tipsy, Topsy and Snoopy are very good friends. In the class, how you all are good friends? No, like that these three are also very good friends. They play hide and seek. They play which game? Hide and seek. लुपा छुपी का खेल खेलना पसंद करते थे वो ज़्यादा. They also play with a ball. They love to chase rats. Chase means what? They used to make. They love to chase rats means what? Chase means what? They wanted to make more fun with the rat. इधर उधर भगाना उसको. Chase means what? To run after somebody, to catch them or to catch. उनको परेशान करना, लेकिन वो नहीं चाहते. But they are very kind. वो बहुत दयालु रहते हैं. वो cat. They don't want to eat them. They do not like to eat them. They only want to chase rats. But they are very kind. उनको भगाता है, इतना भगाता है चूहों को कि उनको इतना परेशान करता है कि वो थक जाए. इतना परेशान करते हैं उनको, लेकिन उनको खाना नहीं चाहते. ओके, you have to read the lesson. Then oral work. Which animals do you find near your house? Have you understood the lesson, children? Okay. Now, which animals do you find near your house? Which animals do you find near your house? Which is your favorite animal and why? Which is your favorite animal and why? What is its name? Do you have any pet? What do you do for your pet? Now, answer the following questions in one sentence each. Who is tipsy. Who is tipsy? Who are her friends? What games do they like to play? What do they love to chase? What do they love to chase? They love to chase what? Rats. Yes or no? Okay. So, answer the following questions in one sentence each. Answer the following questions. You can do this one, your own oral work. Exercise, answer the following questions in one sentence each. Who is tipsy? Okay, see here. Answer the following questions in one sentences each. 1. A1 is, who is tipsy? Tipsy is a kitten. Tipsy is a kitten. Tipsy. Tipsy. Is a kitten. Kitten. B1. Who are her friends? Who are her friends? Topsy. Answer B1 is Topsy. 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 And Snoopy. 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 Are her friends. 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 C1 is, what games do they like to play? What games do they like to play? They like to play hide and seek and also play with the ball. Yes or no? Yes. They, they, like like, to play, play, hide, hide, and seek, seek, and also, also, play, 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 with ball, ball. What do they love to chase? What do they love to chase? They love to chase rats. They, love, love, to chase, chase, rats, rats. So I have completed the lesson. Is very small one and very easy one. Okay, I have completed the lesson. Write the words and write the question answers for 2 times. The question answers for 2 times. Question you write, who is tipsy, for 1 time question, and answer you write for 2 times. Tipsy is a kitten, tipsy is a kitten, that way 2 times you have to write. This is the homework for you. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.